Hello everyone, welcome to Data in Nutshell. Today we are going to talk about YouTube competitor analysis sheet, right? This is a custom-made tool on Google Sheets with the help of AppScript and Python. So let's begin. So we have the sheet headline analysis here. So what we are going to do it, we are going to enter our search query, which we think is very relevant to our content. So for example, email from Google Sheets. Okay, enter the query here and then click on top 25. This is a button in which a script has been attached. So it will basically go ahead in the YouTube and get all the top 25 YouTube videos with their channel name, channel ID, the video title, description, video ID, and also the views. There are some more scripts attached to this button in which we are calculating the relevancy of the query and the description. For example, this is the query and this is the headline in this case, this and this in column G, and the relevancy between this and the description. So in terms of percentage we have calculated, and after that we have also calculated the relevancy between the headline and the description, which is in column H, and we are giving a total of these two percentages in column J. In column I also we have a number where we are basically comparing the headline and description, and the greater the number is, the better is the content. So now what to do with this type of data? So for example, my video is new and I want my video to be at least on top 25 results, right? So that means for my location, these top 25 are the competitors, right? With whom my video has to basically fight for the ranking. What we are doing here is we are trying to compose our headline so that we can basically compete with them in the ranking system, right? So once you click on top 25, go through the headlines that people have used, go through the description. Also you can create a filter here and you can just filter down the column J. So there are two three scenarios which you have to look into. Like for example, in this case, the more the percentage is, the better is the relevancy between them, the headline, description and the query, right? So in here, for example, I want to create a headline in which I want to consider top 10 headlines on the basis of column J. So I got my video titles, I got my descriptions, I got my relevancy portions, which we can look into. We can sort it and directly take it. Now for example, I want all top 25 headlines to be broken down into you can say single words, and I want which word constitutes the maximum count basically. So what I will just go and click on fetch core terms. As soon as you click on it, in the core terms tab, it will basically break down complete sentences and convert them into words and then sort them, and you will get the text here. Then you will get the count of that text in all top 25 and their contribution. So now the point is I want to take the words which are at least covering 80%, approximately 80. Okay, so I'll just copy this. So there are two ways with which we can generate headlines. The first is the latest way, which is Chat GPT way. So I'll just go and open Chat GPT. Introducing Chat GPT, click on try Chat GPT, and it will take some time because I've already logged in, so it will just throw me the main page. Yeah, so now I'm going to write give me headline for YouTube video considering these terms, colon, and then paste all the terms here and enter. So it will try to basically analyze and will give you best possible headline. So for example, how to automatically send emails with Google Sheets using script, and this particular headline covers my complete video content. As we already know that we are basically sending automatic emails with the help of Google Sheets, right? That is what we want to do, and you can see the terms here. So now we'll just tweak some little more. Give me headline based on high search volumes on YouTube. So it will just rephrase it. Okay, I think it gave me something else. Please consider Okay, now it has picked up the correct content. Streamline your email workflow. Learn how to send emails automatically with Google Sheets. So you can directly take the headline here and you can go to your YouTube studio and you can just change the headline or enter the headline. Similarly, you can ask for the description as well. Also provide description, and here you go. So you will get the headline and you will get the description. So this is one of the ways, and honestly we do not know the performance of these statements, right? So if you are using Chat GPT, then in that case you have to check the performance so that you can come to a conclusion that yes, this statement, this text, this headline or description is working best for you, right? So we are also going to see how we can do that. So we have understood this tab, we have gone through this tab, and now it is your own videos tab. We basically have to put our video IDs, right? Your YouTube video IDs here. So I have already entered all the video IDs here. There are 45 videos. Cool. Now you can just forget this these columns from E to I. Okay, this is a analysis part. So what you have to do after putting the video IDs here, just click on get data. It will go to YouTube, it will fetch your views and the date for which it is running and the name of the videos as well, right? So basically this is a faster way where you can customize the data, create graphs as per your need, and you can analyze the data so that you can compare what is doing better for you, which statement, which headline description is like working for you, right? So once it is done, so what I usually do, I have created a headline list here, unique headline list, okay? And then for example, today is 17th, I'll just put 17 date here. Here also, for example, I'll just put the date, and then I'll just do a VLOOKUP considering this, and I'll just get the views here. These are in percentage, so I'll just change the format. Here you go, right? So day on day, week on week, month on month, it totally depends on you. After changing the headline or description, you can go and keep a track of it, right? And for example, if you want to, I'll just remove this column. If you want to create a incremental views view, so in that case you can also do this minus this divided by this number, and you just drag it and convert to percentage and just drag it. So we can say that from this date to this date. So when we see on 19th as compared to 14th, it was 9.56% up. Then if 21st, when we compare it to 19th, it was 7.38, and on 17th, right, it was 58% up. And this particular name, the Python and Google Sheets, how to access and edit Google Sheets with Python, the ultimate guide, this headline was taken from Chat GPT, and you can see the performance of the headline. So similarly, you have to keep a track of your headline, descriptions, thumbnails, and other factors what you are using on the videos, so that you can come to a data driven solution. So I'll just remove these columns. Okay, so this sheet is where you can record your performance. This was to get the current competitor list, from where you can get the current basically the highly used terms in those headlines and descriptions. Here you are basically analyzing your own YouTube videos, the headlines and the performance. And the last is thumbnail analysis, right? When you run this code, right, fetch top 25, as soon as it is fetched, in the thumbnail analysis, it will give the channel name and also give the thumbnail they are using. So with this also you can go ahead and see which thumbnail is people are using. So you can see that Gmail logo is there, Gmail, a big font size Gmail is written. We have seen that there are arrows, there is a person on the sheet, Google Sheets is written, logo of the Google Sheet is there. This is my video, data in nutshell. I have also used logos, arrows and different colors so that it is vibrant, right? And you can see the competitors are also using the same. They are trying to get attention of the user, right? So this is one more video of mine. Okay, I was not aware. Okay, yeah. So basically in cell F1, right? So it says that your first video is at the 4th position and you have 2 videos in total in top 25. So you can see that I have 2 videos of mine, and that is basically out of top 25 we have 2 videos here. After one point, I believe there is a threshold after which views does not matter. It all matters that how good your headline description is working. And yes, views is a very important factor altogether, but it does not totally basically guide whether your video will appear on top 25 or not. So in this case, you can see there are videos which are very with very less video views, but still they manage to come in top 25 slots. So this is a tool that I have created for my own purpose. It's just fun and I like it. Let me know about your reviews, how you like it. If you want to use it, let me know in the comment section. I'll give you access. Go ahead and try it out and let me know if you have any other ideas about the tool that we can do. And also, I have not discussed this tab, so I'm only going to basically give out a video for this tab if I get at least 25 comments, so that we can get data in this sheet. I'm just going to give a brief about it. That the first option we used was Chat GPT, right? And the second option, which is more reliable, to get the volume of all the terms here from Google Trends API with the help of Python code, okay? And in here we will get the average volumes of last 7 days, last 1 month and last 3 months. Just see the extent of the API that you can get the average volumes, the exact average volume in Google Trends, right? And you can populate that in this particular sheet for any term here, right? So let me know if you want this data, the code, the Python code and all. Rest 4 tabs you can go and enjoy. I hope you liked my video. Thank you very much for watching.